Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is UNEX UGV Unmanned Ground Vehicles by ABRIS DG Ultimate Military Ground Drone Solution. Unmanned ground systems are becoming an important part of modern operations, especially in areas where terrain or safety risks make direct human presence difficult. These platforms are widely used for reconnaissance, logistics, evacuation, engineering tasks, and operations in hard-to-reach zones. In military scenarios, UGV's unmanned ground vehicles are valued for their ability to reduce personnel exposure in hazardous conditions while maintaining mission continuity. The UNEX UGV Unmanned Ground Vehicle by ABRIS DG is designed specifically for this demanding use. The UGV Unmanned Ground Vehicle robot combines off-road mobility, high payload capacity, and a modular architecture into a single unmanned system. What are military UGV's unmanned ground vehicles and why they revolutionize warfare? Military UGVs are unmanned ground vehicles deployed to perform tasks that may be difficult or risky for conventional vehicles and personnel. They are efficient for demining and route clearance, air defense, ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, logistics, casualty evacuation, and other field tasks. The ability of ground drones to extend reach while placing operators out of the danger zone makes them highly valuable in modern frontline operations. Today, a ground drone is not simply a remote-controlled machine but an integrated solution that improves situational awareness and enhances mission performance. It is often part of a wider operational ecosystem that may include aerial systems, sensors, software tools, communication links, and different payload modules. UNEX UGV Unmanned Ground Vehicle Technical Specifications and Capabilities. UNEX UGV Unmanned Ground Vehicle is a multi-role amphibious robotic platform designed for demanding terrain and complex field environments. The UGV Unmanned Ground Vehicle carries up to 1,700 kilograms of payload, making it suitable for transporting supplies, equipment, or specialized mission modules. UNEX also has 600 mm ground clearance and can overcome obstacles of up to 1 meter high, including fallen trees and rocks. The platform is fully electric and provides up to 6 hours of battery autonomy. The maximum speed of a UGV unmanned ground vehicle drone is 20 km per hour on land, while its amphibious design allows it to move through water and exit onto ice effortlessly. Off-road mobility is what sets UNEX apart, as the platform operates across mud, snow, sand, rubble, water, and ice. It can be controlled through several communication layers using telescopic masts, UAV unmanned aerial vehicle relays, LTE, 5G or satellite communication. UNEX UGV applications in military operations. UNEX UGV unmanned ground vehicle can support a wide range of military applications without being limited to a single role. Its high payload capacity makes it useful for logistics tasks, including transporting equipment, food, fuel, batteries, and other supplies. The UGV unmanned ground vehicle can also be relevant in casualty evacuation scenarios, reducing the need for direct exposure. Engineering and demining tasks are another important area. UNEX can be configured with specialized kits for route clearance, demining, EOD, or work in hazardous zones. Besides, the UGV unmanned ground vehicle robot can be applied for reconnaissance missions carrying ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance sensor packages or radar systems to improve situational awareness and perimeter monitoring. Advantages of UNEX UGV unmanned ground vehicle over competitor military UGV's unmanned ground vehicles. One of the main advantages of the UNEX UGV unmanned ground vehicles is its high payload capacity, which allows it to carry substantial loads without sacrificing any functionality. Its electric architecture is also a strength. This type of operation reduces acoustic signature, simplifies field use and supports up to 6 hours of continuous work. Another competitive advantage is its amphibious design, which enables it to support missions across different terrain and weather conditions. The platform can be easily adapted to changing operational needs thanks to its modularity. Overall, the UNEX UGV Unmanned Ground Vehicle by ABRIS DG is a practical example of how unmanned ground systems are evolving in the modern market. A combination of unique features makes it relevant for both military and emergency response scenarios, making it a strong option for organizations looking for a capable UGV unmanned ground vehicles drone for demanding field operations. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @electronics technology 50.